welcome to our cooking and baking channel. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
So today we are going to be making
mini pancakes. Let's get started.
our ingredients.
We've got 500 grams of easy mix pancakes, 2 eggs,
30 ml oil, 1 cup of milk.
first the eggs.
And then the oil.
And then mix.
And now
Mix. So now we'll be adding the mix, and in the mix you get your sugar and your flour. Adding the whole packet of mix and mix. Sorry. Mix nice. All together. So now we'll add the glass of milk. Just can you pour our mix? Just half a glass first. Now just gonna mix it until we need more. Then I'll add some more. There you go. This is it. Now just gonna mix.
in the same glass add half a cup of water.
You can mix in and half it up. Okay. Now mix it all flatter in the list.
Can you help me, sir?
I'll throw this in. Mix and mix. God, what taste this? Yo. Mix it. I think we need more water. So I can go fetch some more water.
I mix it.
The mix, can we mix it? It's getting watery. Okay, ready guys, and we will be putting it in the frying pan.
Don't worry, Khadija and my mom is here.
To help us if we need help with anything. Now I'm just gonna brush the frying pan with some oil. Then we can put the pancakes into the frying pan.
So this is the custard shapes that we are going to be using.
Place it in there.
So first we got a heart, a circle, a star. Don't worry guys, you don't need to spray it. Spray it. yummy. So here we have the traditional syrup and the banana.
And we will cut it.
Okay?
We're going to cut the banana in slices to put onto the little pancakes.
So, open it.
I'll just pour that in you. Can you give me a plate?
Chop it up.
That's enough for now and I'll cut. Yeah, because it's done. Oops. One more.
Oh, now that's enough.
Now let's add the traditional syrup. Oops. And add enough.
Not too much. And not too little.
Looks so cute. And so you can. Oops. So this is how it looks. Very cute.
I want you guys to try this recipe. Let's do the taste test.
Okay, let's start.
So,
It's so nice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.